Welcome to day 7 of the 60 days Excel Mastery Challenge. Today we'll be seeing how we can combine split columns in Excel. I'll be showing you two ways using two different functions. The first, we'll be using the function TEXTJOIN. So we'll say equals, we'll write the function TEXTJOIN. The function TEXTJOIN concatenates a list or range of text strings using a delimiter. So concatenates means to join. So we'll open our brackets. So we want to indicate what the delimiter is. In this case, the delimiter will be a space because we'll be joining two words separated by a space. So we'll be indicating the space as hold down Shift on your keyboard and open quotes. Hit the space bar on your keyboard once to create space, then close the quotes. Then put a comma. After the comma, should we ignore empty cells? That is in situation where we have 3 columns and there are cells that are empty in some rows. Always ignore empty cells. So we'll say true to ignore empty cells. So I'll say comma. So I want to enter the first text, which is in the first name, then comma, the second text. So you see that if you even have more text to concatenate or to join, you can go ahead to keep adding them. So we are done with this, so we have to close it with the parentheses. So we can now go ahead and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you see that it has successfully joined the first name and the last name. So what we need to do is to autofill by bringing your cursor to this box, then double-clicking, it will autofill across. The second method is to use the function concatenate. So we'll say equals concatenate. So concatenate joins several strings into one text string. So once we've spelled the concatenate correctly, we'll open our bracket now. We want to concatenate what? We want to join this name, the first name, and the last name. So pick the name to be concatenated. We'll say comma. We want to indicate that we want a space between the two names. So after I say comma, I will open quotes, create space, and close quotes. Then I'll say comma, right? Then I click on the last name I want to add. Then go ahead and close the parentheses. So I said equals, concatenate the function to join. Then where the first name is, which is in A2, comma, then open quotes, hit the space bar once to create space, close quote, comma, then you pick the last name, okay? Then close your parentheses. Then we go ahead and hit enter. When we do so, you will see that we also have the name combined here. So you will double click to autofill. So you notice that these names underneath are formulas, right? If you take away any name from here, you see that it disappears from the joined list, okay? So if you don't want this to happen, what you would do is make sure you copy the names you have joined, right-click wherever you want to paste it, and paste it as what? Values, okay? Once you paste it at values, if you change anything here, you see it still affects this area, but here is not connected to the source anymore. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe and put on your notifications to get notified when we post another video.